Hi, this is Simone, and today I'm gonna teach you guys how to do this 10 minutes or less mask using all kind of different fabric that you have at home. You can do it. I made this with a bandana, and it's a reversible, very easy to do. You can do a t-shirt. I make this one with this fabric. So all of them is 100% cotton. And let's teach you how to do it. It's pretty easy. Cut two pieces 7.5 inches by 7 inches. So I already cut here, so it goes faster with the video, so you guys don't have to wait for me. And two elastic 7 inches. So this is the size for me. You guys can go bigger or smaller. Okay. Now you're gonna sew here and over here in the machine. Oh, put both of the fabric in reverse, inside out, okay? And a top and a bottom. So now what we're gonna do is put the elastic inside in the corners. And if you need a pin, you can put a pin here to hold it. And make sure you hold it another corner so they don't. Make sure you sew another corner too. And this side here, we're gonna put it also in a corner here, the edge of the fabric, but we're gonna leave a space in the middle so we can turn the mask. Okay, leave a space and go to the end. It's time to turn. So turn upside down, inside out. Oh my God, not upside down. Turn inside out. And what are you gonna do is press it with the iron so it can become straight. And close the hole here. And what we're gonna do is now make the pleat. You can make 3 pleats or you can make 2. I iron on it, and now I have 2 pleats here. 1 and 2. And then you put it here, 1 and 2. Put a pin on it so you don't lose it. So make sure they both the same. If not, you have to open one and fix it. We're gonna sew here and over here. It's ready. So you guys can do it to your family. You can do it to use, when you're in a garden. If you have allergy, you can use right now. That way everybody's needing a mask. So it's ready. And this is one. And I have another one here that I made from cat's fabric. That one is for my friend Diana. This one is for Love. say love on it and purple inside. This is a piece of fabric that I have from Africa, and this is a bandana that like this one that I have blue on it. Frida Kahlo art.